show you how to install the FatRat. FatRat is a tool to create undetectable backdoors that can be sent to another computer, which will give you full access of that computer, the files, the documents, anything that a person do on the computer. You will have the access to it. You can even open camera and anything. So, but many of you get so many errors while installing it. So it is a complete start to end video where I will show you how to install it. So I'm going first I'll go open my browser, and I will search for GitHub the fat rat. See, I'm getting the first link. I'll go to it. You'll see a code. I'll copy it. Now I'm copying it to my folder cd/opt folder. If I'll do ls, there is only one folder by name Microsoft, so I'll clone it here. To clone, you have to type git clone sudo git clone and the link which we have copied, and I'll hit enter. So it will start cloning. It will might take 2 to 3 minutes to clone. As you can see, my cloning is done. Now I will again do ls. You see, I'm getting a new folder, the FatRat. So I'll navigate to it. cd FatRat. If I do ls, you'll see here are all the bunch of files. But we are interested in this setup.sh. We are going to run the setup. Before that, we have to change permissions for setup. We have to run it to make it executable. So for that, you have to run chmod plus x and then setup.sh. Sorry, we have to type sudo first, and now its permission is changed. Now we can run .setup ./setup to run it, and I will hit enter. Sorry again, sudo. I'm not a root user right now, so that's why I'm getting error back. So now what we have done is, like, it shows us error by in installing different packages. What we have to do, we have to write down all the packages on which they are showing errors. We are going to install them manually. It is trying automatically that it will store, but it will not happen because there are some error in the FatRat. So we are going to write down all the packages that will show error. Now I hit enter. So it's trying installing mono develop utils. See, this is one of the packages that are not installed. It is trying to installing them. So let's wait and get it. It was not unable to install it. You see, it was unable to install genome terminal. You will have to write down everything like Python 3 pip. So I'll write down in a. You can write down it anywhere or take a screenshot of it, like jar singer Python 3 pip genome terminal mono develop util, and this mono develop utils will install automatically at the end. manual able to install all the other packages. And MinGW, it is a C++ compiler. So as you can see, we are getting all these errors. I have taken the screenshot of it. Now I'm going to install them manually. Yes. It's trying to update its repository. Now it's asking one of the option. If you get this option, you have to select the option 2. Backdoor factory is still not found, but we will still do 2 because we don't have a manual path. If you get this, just hit enter. Don't try to change yes and no. Just hit enter twice. So you see, FatRat was unable to install some packages and got me here. So now I will go to my browser and search for like GNOME terminal. So I will search how to install GNOME terminal like this. I'll see what I get in like it is showing this. And it is a command here sudo apt install rinse. So I'm copied. I will paste it here. So this is how you are going. I will delete reinstall from it because I don't think I have GNOME terminal here. So sudo apt, if I hit enter, see it's asking if you want to install it. I'll say yes. So this is how you're going to find all the packages and their command on your browser and run them one by one here. So like we can now search for anything like Python 3 pip on Linux. I know these commands, but I'm for your so that you don't get confused. I'm searching them in Google and then using, so I can use them directly as because I know how to. So how to install pip with Python 3. So it's there, it's here. Let's search for like here sudo apt get python. I'll just copy it and paste it. You'll see it's again asking me yes and no. I'll say yes. And we also want min mingw for Linux. So you see Stack Overflow got you many answers. So like, like so here's the command: open a terminal sudo apt install minchi w64, copy. Now I'll paste selection and run it. It's again asking yes and no. Yes. And the last one is I think jar singer. So jar singer for Linux. It's not big, it comes with JDK files. Java. JDK is a Java development environment which consists of a part called jar singer. So basically we have to install a full Java development kit in a Linux. So I'll show you. So, so like say how to install jar singer in Linux. Nothing on this website. Let's switch to another. Jar singer don't found. Now you have to search again. Jar singer. Jar singer install. So we are not getting anything right now. Here it is. Finally Java on Linux apt install default JD. It is the command that will give you the default Java development kit that you require. I'll paste it here. So you have to type sudo first. So it's working on it. It might take 1 minute to download and install it. So I think I have got all the errors which we require. The only error that is left is mono development utils. So what happen if we got all the errors in line, the TheFatRat will automatically install the mono develop utils. I'll show you how. So it's progressing. Just let it full screen. Let it install it. Now you can see we got it installed. Now we are going to run the setup.sh file again. Dot setup.sh. I'm going to run it again. Sorry, sudo. And now you see hit enter. It's asking you whether it is showing that the min.gw we have installed is the incorrect version. It is showing if you want to remove it, you have to say no, because what it will do, it will remove the min.gw and it will not install it from itself. So you just say no, hit enter. Now it is trying to install the mono developed utils. You see, now it have downloaded mono utils by himself. Now it's not showing error. It's saying okay. So see, we have installed Python 3 pip. It is found it. Genome terminal found it. Jar singer from Java found it. Now let it update its repo. Now see the min.gw compilers that we have installed. It found it. Now, now it's just updating its repo, and then we are good to go. So it's searching right output directory. It's storing in the root fat generated, but I don't want it in root, so I will do desktop. I'll just say dash desktop. You can hit enter and pass it. I currently not have root access for my Kali Linux, that's why. So hit enter. So it's asking you want a shortcut for FatRat, which it what will happen if you don't have to come to a folder then run FatRat. You can simply run. You just type terminal in FatRat and it will run for it. So like yes. Now installation is complete. Now we can run FatRat. So let's just run FatRat. You see, sorry, sudo FatRat. You see it's running. It's checking the utils. And you see it started. It just showing us that don't upload to virus total, because these are the websites that check for viruses, which that which antivirus will detect our virus and which will not. So just we'll hit enter to continue. And you'll see it's again asking enter to continue. And you see the FatRat has run successfully now.